Hello everybody, this is our video number 5 on the same topic, the relation and the function. And today in this video we will start a new subtopic, that is the type of a function. In our previous class we already studied about what is the function. The function is nothing but a restricted form of a relation. And also, if any relation satisfy the two conditions, then this relation is called the function. The first condition is the first set is equal to the domain of R. If consider R is any relation. So the first condition is the domain of R is equal to the first set. And the second one, the every element of first set is connected some element or some distinct element of the second set. These is the two criteria. If any relation satisfies these two, then this relation is called the function. And all the elements and function have the three parts. The first one, if f is a function, it is denoted as, this is the symbolic notation of the function. That means the f is a function, it is read as the f is a function from A to B, and this time A is considered the first set and the B is considered the second set. And as for the definition of the function, the first criteria, the first set, all first set is equal to the domain of this f. And the second one, the every element of set A or the first set connected with the some element, some distinct element of B. That means the second set. That is the definition of the function. And this time, this is the mathematical notation to represent a function. F is a function A from A to B. And this function have the three parts. The first one is have the domain, codomain, and the range. Okay. And in our earlier class, we already studied the various type of the function, the constant function, quadratic functions, linear functions, modulus functions, okay, sigma functions, and also study the two type of the function which based on the domain and the codomain and range, that is the real valued function and the real function. Okay, but in today's class, we will discuss the type of the function. The first type is one-one function. One-one function. And the arrow diagram of this one-one function is, suppose this is set A and this is set B. And suppose set A have some element and set B have also the some elements. Okay? And this is the arrow diagram of one function. And as per this arrow diagram, these element of the codomain is not connected with the any element of the domain, but each and every element of the domain is connected with the some distinct element of the codomain. Okay, and this is called the domain set and this is the codomain set. And if you consider all the connected point, the set of all the connected points in the codomain, that is called the range of the function. Range of what is the definitions of the one-one function? The definition of the one-one function is if f is a function from a to b. If f is a function from a to b is called the one-one function. If all the element of domain of f is connected with some distinct element of b under this f, and this f is nothing but a rules. Okay, so this is the definition of one-one function. One-one function means each and every element of the domain have the some image, distinct image in B. Okay. After that, many one. Many one function. If any function is made, what is the diagram of the many one function? Suppose this is A and this is B, and this time this A contains the 3 element and this B contains the 2 element, and the first one is connected to this one is also connected, and it is also connected. So this time this diagram is also the represent the many one function. So any function is does not satisfy the one criteria, then it is also must satisfy the many to one criteria. So this is the many to one function. After that, the third category of this function is onto function. Onto function. Onto function means suppose this is our first set and this is our second set. This time and this is also another. So this is the arrow diagram for the onto function. That means suppose it is our set A and this set A is contain the 5 elements and this set B is contain the 4 elements, and this is the arrow diagram. And what is the definitions of onto function? So what is the definitions of the onto functions? The a function f x to y is said to the onto function is if every element of y is the image of some element of x. So every element of y is the image of some element of x. This is the definition of the onto function. And the last type is bijective function. So what is the criteria to determine any function is called the bijective functions? If any function satisfy both the criteria of one function and as well as onto function, then this type of function is called bijective function. So from this discussion we conclude that the any function have mainly 4 type or classifications. The first one is 1 1, second one many to 1, third one on to function, and the fourth one is bijective functions. And this on 1 1 function is called the injective function. This on to function is also called the surjective function. Okay, so this 1 1 is also called injective function. This onto is called the surjective function. So that's all for the today's lecture. Thank you everybody.